Hi, good day, Miss Cherry. Can you tell me about yourself?
Hello, ma'am. My name is Mary Chair Jane O. Pangito. I'm 44 years old. I'm married. I have two daughters, 14 years old and 5 years old. I'm high school graduate. I have 3 brothers and I am 4 in the family.
Alright, thank you. Then where do you live?
I live in Cardona, Rizal.
How would you describe yourself?
I am cheerful, I'm honest, I am hardworking person, and I love to learn new things. I can work under pressure. I can follow my employer's instruction also.
Okay. Why do you want to apply abroad?
I want to apply to abroad for support my family, for my schooling of my daughter.
Okay. Do you have any work experience abroad?
Yes, ma'am. I have work experience in Dubai for 2 years. I'm finished contract. I'm taking care of 2 kids, 3 years old and 5 years old.
Okay. Then what is your duties and responsibilities as domestic helper?
I taking care of the children. I cook their food. I clean the house. I wash the dishes, washing clothes, ironing clothes, and focus on taking care of the children.
Okay. Then aside from that, do you have still work experience abroad?
Yes, ma'am. I work in Hong Kong from January 2023 to January 2025. I taking care of disabled elderly, 95 years old, and I taking care also of 8 years old boy.
Alright. Did you finish your contract?
Yes, ma'am, I finished my contract.
Please indicate your duties and responsibilities as domestic helper in Hong Kong.
I clean the house, washing clothes, ironing, cooking. I cook their Chinese food. They teach me, and then I will pass learner.
Okay. Then, are you willing to take care of small children, newborn baby, or elderly person abroad?
Yes, ma'am.
How would you take care of naughty children and children with temper tantrums?
I will stay calm and talk to them in the nice way. Nice way.
Then, how about if the newborn baby is crying at night?
I check the diaper first. If full, I change the diaper, and I also I will check the temperature of the baby, and I check the diaper of the baby, and I check them. I check if the baby is hungry, and I will feed them. I will feed them.
Okay. Then, what will you do if you become homesick?
I focus in the work. Maybe I will be more hardworking in the work, and I can go to church and pray.
Okay. Are you scared of dogs and cats?
No, ma'am.
Are you willing to take care of pets, even big dogs?
If big dogs, maybe small dogs I can
Okay.
take care.
How do you describe your cooking skills?
I can cook Chinese food. I can cook Filipino food, and I am willing to learn new dishes.
Do you have any food allergy?
Nothing, ma'am.
Do you eat everything?
Yes, ma'am.
Alright. Then do you have the full consent of your family to go and work abroad?
Yes, ma'am.
Do you promise not to use your cell phone during working hours?
Yes, ma'am.
Do you promise to be honest and loyal to your employer?
Yes, ma'am.
Do you have the physical energy to keep up with the children?
Yes, ma'am.
Do you drink alcohol?
No, ma'am.
How about smoking?
No, ma'am.
Do you have any body tattoo?
Nothing, ma'am.
Do you have any history or surgery, serious sickness in the past?
Nothing, ma'am.
Are you willing to share room with the children or elderly persons?
Yes, ma'am.
Are you willing to wake up very early in the morning and sleep late at
Yes,
night?
ma'am.
Are you willing to work during day off and employer will pay you overtime?
Yes, ma'am.
And for the last question, what is your final message to your future employer abroad?
Good day, ma'am. I am Mary Cherry Jane Opangito. I promise, if you hired me, I promise to finish my 2 years contract, and if you want me to renew, I will renew. And I am hardworking person and patient. I love to take care of children. Thank you.